If your truck tailgate slams like this, just like mine did, it's a super easy fix. For less than 20 bucks and about 10 minutes of your time, you can install a tailgate assist, and I'll show you how in this video. There's a link for this kit in the description. I purchased it on Amazon. It's made by a company called Orion Motortech. The first thing we have to do is support the tailgate so that we can remove this cable. Just take a flathead screwdriver to push up the clip and then push up and remove. Put that aside. It's a super easy removal, and that gives us access to this Torx bit. And this tool comes with the kit, so you're lefty-loosey, righty-tighty on this. We'll go ahead and get this bolt completely removed. Then we'll pull this mounting bracket from the kit, and we're going to use that same bolt we just removed to attach it to the side of the truck. So we're going to do it in this vertical manner and just go ahead and lace that through and get everything tightened back down. So I started with getting it hand tight and keeping it as straight up and down as I could, and then we'll get it snugged into place just like you see here. After that, we'll move to the lower bracket here on the tailgate, and there's two 10mm bolts. This one we're going to remove completely, and the lower one we're going to loosen it just enough to get this supplied bracket into place. So it's just going to kind of hinge on that. And these bolts did have some factory paint on there, so it felt like the 10mm wasn't going to fit, but it will. This bolt we're going to keep aside. It's not going to go back on the truck, but put it somewhere where you're not going to lose it. Loosen the lower bolt up enough just to slip this one in. Once it's lined up, use the supplied screw from the kit and just finger tighten it. Again, the other bolt's not going to go back into place. This one replaces it for clearance issues, and use a T25 to torque that down, and then just use your 10mm to torque the other bolt. And now that we have our mounting plates attached to the truck, it's time to install the tailgate assist piston itself. It's pre-greased and ready to go. It just clips right over onto these mounting plates, but you will feel it click into place. And on this bottom one, it's just a little too short to reach this mounting bracket. I thought I could just lift the tailgate up and get it connected that way, but what I found out to work better was just let your tailgate down, grab the tailgate assist with both hands and pull out slowly, and then once you get it to the length that it's going to reach the mounting bracket, just clip it right into place and you're good to go. The only other thing you have to do is to make sure you attach your tailgate cable, and then everything is set. The only issue I ran into was my tailgate wouldn't close, and what I found out to be the problem was this little side bracket here that is bumping into. There's actually a bracket like this on each side of the tailgate, but you only need to remove this one on the side of the tailgate assist. That's what I decided to do just to provide the right clearance. So just remove the two Torx bolts, remove your bracket, put it aside and save it for later. Just clean it up, and then to make sure I didn't lose the screws, I went ahead and put those back into the truck and made sure everything was nice and tidy. And then this kit also came with a nutsert tool. I think some models require that, but my 2023 F-150, it did not require it for the install. And the cool thing about this tailgate assist is it's not too fast or not too slow. It makes it look like it came from the factory that way. And the better thing about it is that Chewy really enjoys it. He doesn't get scared now when the tailgate slams if we're out chopping some wood. But this kit's super easy to install. I highly recommend it. When that tailgate bracket's removed, everything shuts no problem. But again, this thing does have a very good speed. It's not hanging up or starting fast and then getting slower, or starting slow and then getting quicker. And we'll go back to the before and after. That way you can kind of have a look at it again, see for yourself here. So anybody that's got the slamming tailgate can quickly and easily make it like it should have from the factory into this easy tailgate assist. And since I'm someone who uses their tailgate very regularly, if this thing ever messes up, I will pin that into the comments to the very top. That way I can let you know how it's holding up over time. But if you have any questions about this install, definitely drop those in the comments below. I love to hear from you, and I try to get back to everyone as much as possible. In the meanwhile, thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you on the next video. All right, peace.